Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create curved edges on Wix. This is a fantastic way to add visual interest and a modern aesthetic to your website sections, making your designs stand out and look more professional. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on this, and a drop-down selection will appear with several choices. From this menu, go ahead and click on Website to proceed to your website management area. Now you'll be taken to a page where you can preview the website settings you currently have. Take a moment here to make sure that this is indeed the website where you want to create curved edges. It's always good to double-check that you're working on the correct site, especially if you manage multiple projects through your Wix account. Once you've confirmed you're in the right place, locate the Design Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to the website editor, where you can make all your design modifications. Click on it to move forward. After clicking Design Site, you'll be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where the magic happens. Start by locating a section on your website where you wish to implement the curved edges. This could be any section dividing different content areas on your page. Click on the section you've chosen, and you'll see a menu pop up with various options for customizing that particular section. From this menu, look for a button labeled Shape Dividers and click on it. Shape Dividers is the feature that allows you to add those stylish curved edges and other decorative elements to your section dividers, transforming a plain straight line into something more dynamic and eye-catching. Once you've clicked on Shape Dividers, you'll see a variety of different curves and designs that you can apply to your divider. You can start from either side, whether that's the top divider or the bottom divider of your section. Scroll down through the available options to explore all the designs and effects Wix offers. There's quite a range from subtle waves to dramatic curves, so take your time to find one that matches your website's style and personality. Once you've selected a design that you like, click on Customize Design. This opens up additional controls where you can fine-tune the appearance of your curved edge. Here, you can adjust the opacity to make the divider more or less transparent, change the color to match your site's color scheme, and set the height to determine how pronounced the curve should be. You'll also find an option for horizontal offset, which lets you shift the curve left or right to perfectly align it with your content. And there you have it. You've successfully created curved edges on your Wix website, adding a polished, professional touch to your design. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.